Imagine stepping into a town where every street feels like it was pulled straight out of a movie, where the storefronts glow warmly at dusk, where the air seems to carry soft echoes of the past, and where every turn invites you into another picturesque moment.
It's the kind of place where history doesn't just sit quietly in museums. It lingers in the architecture, the stories, the landscapes, and even in the way locals greet you, with that unmistakable Southern friendliness. Picture yourself strolling down a street lined with brick sidewalks, gas lamps, and historic buildings that look so perfectly preserved, you almost expect someone in a 19th century dress to come walking out the door. Imagine the smell of fresh biscuits and slow-cooked barbecue drifting out of cozy restaurants, the hum of live music spilling into the night from tucked-away bars, and shop windows filled with local art, handcrafted goods, and little treasures you didn't know you absolutely needed. It's the kind of town that doesn't just charm you, it wraps around you and whispers, "You could stay here a while."
And the wild thing, this place actually exists. Not in a movie set, not in a book, not in your imagination, but right here in Tennessee. Just about 20 minutes south of Nashville sits one of the most stunning, story-filled, heart-stealing small towns in the entire United States, Franklin, Tennessee.
This is a town that genuinely has it all. Perfectly preserved 19th century architecture, one of the most beautiful main streets in America, powerful landmarks that bring Civil War history to life, incredible boutique shopping, unforgettable Southern cuisine, buzzing live music, and that warm, welcoming energy that makes you feel like you've known this place forever, even if you just arrived. It's no wonder people visit for a weekend and leave daydreaming about buying a house on some quiet, tree-lined street. And today, I'm genuinely excited to take you through the top 7 reasons why Franklin, Tennessee is quickly becoming everyone's favorite small town in 2026. If you're someone who loves beautiful places, rich stories, great food, and that magical small town atmosphere that feels both peaceful and alive at the same time, you're going to fall completely in love with this town. Stick around until the end, because number 1 is the reason people can't stop coming back, or even end up moving here. Let's jump right in, starting with number 7. Number 7, the Factory at Franklin, a place that feels like a creative playground. Back in 1929, this massive building was cranking out stoves. Today, it's been beautifully transformed into one of the coolest spots in town. As you walk through the factory, you'll discover local shops, unique art galleries, fantastic restaurants, and live events happening all the time. The industrial brick walls mixed with modern Southern style create an atmosphere you have to experience to believe. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, hunting for one-of-a-kind gifts, or just soaking in the creative energy, the Factory at Franklin is the perfect example of how this town honors its past while building an exciting future. I promise, you'll lose track of time here. Number 6. Franklin's food scene is straight up addictive. This town knows how to eat. From upscale Southern fine dining at Gray's on Main to juicy burgers, fresh pastries, farm-to-table restaurants, and cozy coffee shops on every block, your taste buds are in for a treat. Picture this. You're sitting on a sunny patio, biting into perfectly fried chicken with a side of creamy grits while live music plays softly in the background. That's a regular Tuesday in Franklin. The locals are friendly, the portions are generous, and the flavors are unforgettable. If you're a food lover, Franklin will easily make your top 10 list of best small-town food destinations in America. Number 5. Shopping on historic Main Street. Retail therapy at its absolute finest. Franklin's downtown Main Street has been called one of the most beautiful in the country, and once you see it, you'll understand why. Colorful Victorian buildings line both sides of the street, brick sidewalks shaded by massive old trees, and over 70 unique boutiques, art galleries, antique stores, and specialty shops waiting for you.
You'll find everything from trendy clothing and handmade jewelry to Southern-inspired home decor and rare books. Whether you're buying gifts or treating yourself, shopping here feels fun and special, not rushed like in big cities.
Number 4, the iconic Franklin Theater, the soul of downtown. This gorgeous 1937 theater has been lovingly restored and now hosts live music, comedy shows, classic movies, and special events in an intimate setting. Imagine sitting inside this historic gem with the lights dimmed, enjoying a concert, while knowing Justin Bieber once filmed a music video right on these streets. The Franklin Theater perfectly captures the magic of small-town entertainment.
Number 3. The deep and moving Civil War history that still echoes through Franklin. In 1864, the Battle of Franklin became one of the bloodiest battles of the entire Civil War. Today, you can visit incredibly well-preserved sites like the Carter House, the Lots House, and especially Carnton Plantation. Carnton served as a massive field hospital after the battle. Walking through these grounds and hearing the stories gives you chills and a profound respect for the men and women who lived through that time. Franklin doesn't just talk about history, it lives it. These sites are some of the most authentic and powerful historic attractions you'll find in any small town in America.
Number 2, the jaw-dropping beauty of historic downtown Franklin. This is the spot where most people fall head over heels for the town, often within minutes. It's the heart, the soul, and the signature postcard image of Franklin. And once you see it in person, you immediately understand why. Picture wide, tree-lined streets that turn every stroll into a slow, cinematic moment. Rows of perfectly preserved brick buildings from the 1800s that glow with character and look almost too flawless to be real. The kind of architecture that makes you stop mid-walk just to admire a window frame or an old doorway carved with history.
At the center of it all is a charming public square that feels like the gathering place of a storybook town, complete with benches, shade trees, and that easygoing atmosphere where people linger just because it feels good to be there. Flower baskets spill over with color from lampposts, local shops open their doors with the scent of candles and fresh coffee drifting out, and there's almost always a musician playing somewhere nearby.
And then comes the magic moment, golden hour. That soft, warm southern sunlight hits the brick buildings, the shop windows, the old church steeples, and suddenly the whole downtown looks like it's glowing from the inside out. Photographers love it, couples love it. Honestly, everyone loves it. It's one of those rare places where your camera can't seem to take a bad shot. Whether you're taking your time exploring boutiques, snapping photos on every corner, wandering into antique stores, or simply people watching from a shaded bench, downtown Franklin feels like stepping into a living, breathing postcard. Many visitors swear it looks exactly like a Hallmark movie set. And honestly, they're not wrong. In fact, it looks even better in real life. And the number one reason Franklin, Tennessee is so addictive? It's the incredible overall vibe, the small-town magic that you simply can't find just anywhere.
Franklin has this way of blending everything people crave into one place. Genuine Southern hospitality that feels warm the second you arrive. A deep sense of history that gives the town real soul. Fantastic food and shopping that rival big cities. Live music floating out of bars and patios, and gorgeous nature just minutes away for when you want to breathe a little deeper.
But it's more than that. It's the feeling that life moves at the right speed here. Not too fast, not too slow, just enough to let you enjoy the moment. You feel it walking down Main Street at sunset, sitting on a restaurant porch with sweet tea, or chatting with locals who actually want to know how your day's going. It's rare, and it's real. Franklin sits close enough to Nashville that you can dip into the excitement whenever you want.
but far enough that you can escape the noise, the traffic, and the constant rush. People come here expecting a pleasant little day trip, and instead, they find themselves planning return visits, imagining what it would be like to live here, sometimes even browsing real estate before they leave.
That's the real Franklin effect. This town doesn't just charm you, it sticks with you long after you've gone. So there you have it, the top 7 reasons why Franklin, Tennessee is one of the most beautiful and addictive small towns in America right now. Which reason surprised you the most? Have you ever visited Franklin? Would you move here? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single comment.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting tours of America's most charming towns, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button right now and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss a new video.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're awesome. Go add Franklin, Tennessee to your travel list. You won't regret it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep exploring.